Hey guys, Coach Bass here. Just trying to update you guys on how the school is going to look moving forward with this continuous learning online. You're going to be contacted by your teachers through Google Classroom. Expectations are still going to be high. We're going to send you guys daily workouts. You're going to do those workouts every day. You're expected to push yourself through the workouts. We talk a lot about accountability and making yourself better. And what better way to make yourself better than to push yourself as hard as you can to be a better athlete on your own, with us there to guide you through and motivate you as well. You're going to get those workouts. You're going to be expected to get a parent signature every day. This is an honor system, but like I just said, we're talking about accountability and trying to be better for ourselves. So let's make sure that we do that. And you're required to do that 4 days of the week. You're also going to get a YouTube video from your teacher that you're supposed to watch, and it's going to be an assignment that you need to turn in. Those workouts are going to be worth 6 points with the signature included, and then 1 point for the YouTube video assignment, which still is going to get you to 25 points weekly. Hate to do it this way, but we all dream as little kids of playing in front of the world and doing things best for the world. What better way right now than to stay in and do what's best for the country and the world and still get our exercise and be the best us that we could be. Thank you guys, and I look forward to seeing you guys every week still. Take care. Bye.